Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best skateboards on the market right now. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned skater, we've got something for everyone. I'll break down the features, performance, and value of each skateboard so you can make the best choice for your needs. You'll find the product links in the description below. So, let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the Voyager skateboard, which comes in as the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $24.97. This skateboard is perfect for kids and teens who are just starting their skateboarding journey. The standout feature here is the Five Nights at Freddy's themed artwork on the deck. It's vibrant, fun, and sure to be a hit with younger riders. The printed graphic grip tape ensures riders stay firmly planted on the board during use. The Voyager is equipped with 5-inch polished aluminum trucks and ABEC 5 bearings, offering a smooth and steady riding experience. While it's not designed for advanced tricks or high-speed skating, it's a reliable option for cruising around the neighborhood or local parks. The 7-ply maple wood deck adds a good level of durability, but it's best suited for lighter riders given its overall build quality. Pros include its affordable price, eye-catching design, and beginner-friendly features. On the downside, the ABEC 5 bearings aren't as smooth as higher-rated ones, and the deck width of 5 inches is a bit narrow for older or larger riders. Overall, this is a solid entry-level skateboard for younger audiences looking to get started without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 4 is the K-Park skateboard, priced at $33.95. This skateboard offers excellent value for riders across all age groups. With a double-kick symmetric concave design, it enables easier control for braking and energy transfer, making it ideal for beginners learning new tricks. The waterproof emery grip tape provides reliable traction, enhancing safety during rides. Plus, its anti-shock PU wheels and ABEC 7 precision bearings deliver a smooth experience even on rough terrain. The K-Park skateboard features a solid 7-layer Canadian maple deck that balances durability and flexibility. At 31 inches long and 8 inches wide, it offers ample space for your feet, and its aluminum trucks and steel axle provide stability and support for heavier riders. The graphics on the deck are bold and vibrant, utilizing heat transfer printing for long-lasting designs that won't fade easily. While the K-Park is a versatile option, its ABEC 7 bearings could feel slower compared to higher-grade bearings, and the wheels might not perform as well in skate parks compared to smoother surfaces. Overall, it's a great skateboard for beginners and casual riders looking for a durable, stylish, and affordable board. At number 3, we have the Anyfun Pro Complete Skateboard, priced at $34.99. This skateboard stands out for its high-quality build and impressive performance features. The 7-layer Canadian maple deck is both durable and lightweight, making it suitable for beginners and advanced riders alike. It boasts a double-kick concave design for better control and safety, and the waterproof emery sandpaper grip ensures your feet stay securely planted during rides. What really sets the Anyfun apart is its ABEC 11 bearings, which provide an incredibly smooth and responsive ride. Combined with the 95A high-rebound PU wheels, this board is perfect for commuting, skate parks, and ramps. The checkerboard graphics are eye-catching and printed using thermal transfer technology to ensure long-lasting vibrancy. With a load capacity of up to 330 pounds, this board is one of the most stable options on the list, making it great for heavier riders. On the downside, the Anyfun skateboard is slightly heavier than other models, which might be a consideration for younger riders. Additionally, while it's versatile, it's not the best option for extreme tricks or professional use. Overall, this is a fantastic mid-range skateboard that delivers excellent performance and style for a wide range of riders. Coming in at number 2 is the White Fang skateboard for beginners, priced at $39.99. This board strikes a perfect balance between toughness and weight with its 7-layer Canadian maple deck. Measuring 31.75 inches long and 7.88 inches wide, it's spacious enough for comfortable rides while being compact enough for tricks. The double-kick concave design and customized emery grip tape provide excellent control, making it ideal for both beginners and intermediate riders. The White Fang skateboard is equipped with ABEC 9 precision bearings and 95A high-rebound PU wheels, delivering a smooth and speedy ride on various surfaces, from skateparks to rough pavement. The minimalist black and white graphics are both stylish and durable, thanks to the thermal transfer printing process. Plus, it comes fully assembled, so you can start skating right out of the box. The only downside is that the wheels might not be as shock-absorbent as softer ones, making it less ideal for rough terrains. Additionally, while the deck can support up to 220 pounds, heavier riders might notice some flex. Overall, the White Fang is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a durable, stylish, and high-performance skateboard at a reasonable price. Finally, at number 1, we have the Roller Derby Deluxe Series Complete Skateboard, priced at $44.99. As the premium option on our list, this skateboard offers exceptional quality and performance. Built with a 7-ply hard rock maple deck, it measures 31 inches in length and 7.5 inches in width, making it perfect for riders of all skill levels. The sturdy 5-inch aluminum trucks and 50mm injected polyurethane wheels ensure a smooth and reliable ride, whether you're cruising or learning new tricks. What's unique about the Roller Derby skateboard is its collaboration with pro skater Greg Lutzka. The board features cool graphics designed by Lutzka, and it even includes video links to tutorials by the pro himself. An excellent bonus for beginners looking to improve their skills. As a fun extra, it comes with a matching fingerboard, making this set a great value for younger riders or collectors. While the price may be slightly higher, the quality, durability, and added features make it worth the investment. The only downside is that it's better suited for smooth surfaces, as the wheels might not perform as well on rough terrain. Overall, the Roller Derby Deluxe Series is the best choice for anyone seeking a high-quality skateboard with professional touches and a sleek design. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect skateboard for your needs. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more product comparisons and in-depth reviews. And if you have any questions about these skateboards, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.